Have you ever encountered a document that won't open, though you don't know what happened to cause it to get corrupted? But the important thing is that you want to open this document. I would recommend you to use MTM File Recovery. And let me show you how easy it is to recover your documents using it. Step 1. Select the document to be repaired. Click the Add button on the operation bar to select the document to be repaired. And the program will automatically start repairing it after selection. Step 2. Document decryption. When the program detects that the document is encrypted by password, it will be prompted, enter the password of the document in the text box, and click the OK button to decrypt it and repair it. Step 3. Preview the contents of the repaired document. After the repair is completed, you can view the document contents on the right side of the page area. When there are multiple documents, you can switch to view the number of directories on the left side. Step 4. Export the repaired document. Select the document that needs to be exported in the left directory tree. Click the Export button on the operation bar. Select the export path. And then click the Export button to export the document. Head over to www.storm-mt.com for a free trial.